Hey everybody, my name is Roy Plundikar and I'm one of the owners and developers at Blueshoon Incorporated. We're a web development company based in Chicago in the Andersonville neighborhood. This is the first of hopefully many tutorial videos to help you out with the web, working from home, working on your website, or pretty much anything that involves computers. This is going to be a short video without too much fluff to help increase your productivity, so let's just go with it. Today I want to talk to you about managing your desktop. Now, managing your desktop doesn't mean, oh, I have a desktop with 500 icons on it and I look like I'm a lunatic. No. I'm talking about increasing the amount of space you have on your actual desktop so you can work more efficiently. Luckily, both Windows and Mac have really sophisticated desktop management tools built into their operating systems that you might not be aware of. So if you're tired of running out of desktop space, or if you're tired of constantly switching between apps and forgetting what window you had open, this is something you might be interested in, so please check this out. So this video is going to focus on Windows 10, and in this example I'm going to show you how to create multiple desktops, assign applications to each of these desktops, and then quickly switch between them. This is going to be almost as fast as having multiple monitors, so it's the next best thing. So to show you how this works, first I'm going to open up a Chrome window. Then I'm going to open up a Word window. Then I'm going to open up, let's just say a Slack window. Right? Okay, so I have 3 applications open, and maybe I need to copy between Word, Slack, and the web. So the first thing I'm going to do to get this going is I'm going to click this button down here, the Task View button. So if you don't have that on your taskbar, you can also hit Windows Tab. And what that's going to do is, boom, push everything out. And at the very top left of this new screen that showed up, you're going to see New Desktop. Go ahead and click that. Boom. Now you notice you have Desktop 1 and you got Desktop 2. For this tutorial, we'll make 3. So I'm going to click this to make a third. There we go. Desktop 1, 2, and 3. And you'll notice on Desktop 2 and 3, we get these crappy Microsoft ads for some reason. There's not much you can do about that. It's an annoyance, but thank Bill Gates. If we go to Desktop 1, right here, you'll see the 3 applications I have open. I have Slack, Microsoft Word, and Chrome. So I'm going to put Chrome on Desktop 2 just by clicking and dragging it. I'm going to put Word on Desktop 3. And then on Desktop 1, we'll keep Slack. So now if I go back and click Desktop 1, you see I have a full screen Slack window. Now if I want to quickly get to the other applications and other desktops, I can either click this taskbar, this task view, and just click Desktop 2. Or, way more fun and way cooler, hold down Control and the Windows key, and you either press arrow left or right. So arrow left, arrow right again. Oh my god, we're good at computers. This is super helpful, and you can even start setting up really complicated things, like you can have multiple screens on one of your desktops like this, and then quickly go between all the information that you're trying to get to. This will change the game if you actually take the time to learn the keyboard shortcuts and get comfortable with switching between these different desktops. A couple notes on Windows: there's a limit to 200 desktops, which is bonkers to me. I don't know why anyone would even need more than 4 or 5, but if by chance you are using a lot more than 4 or 5 desktops, send me a message because I'm dying to know what is the possible use case for that. On Macintosh, on OS X, it's 16 is the maximum number of desktops. That seems a lot more reasonable to me, even though 16, I don't think I could even remember what's on each of them. Anyway, I know this seems really simple, but it's one of the things I didn't know about until like a few years ago, and once I figured it out, I can't live without it, especially operating on like a laptop or a computer with one screen. So give it a go. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like these tips and you need help with a website, or you just want to be nice, click subscribe and check out our website, blueshoon.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.